Just as a quickie selfie reminder, sauce making involves the use of sodium hydroxide or lye, which can burn your skin and permanently damage your eyes. So be sure to learn and follow lye-safe handle procedure during the entire sauce making process, even while cleaning up. You can buy the products on Instagram store on.taa. This yam is very common medical herbal in the market. This is about $20. It's very cheap. Today I use the yam into the soup. Yam is the root of a plant. First, yam cooking for frying. Yam have a good therapeutic effect on the spine and stomach weakness, fatigue and weakness, loss of appetite, long-term diarrhea, long key deficiency, weakness of lower limbs, flush and frequency urination. Modern research have found that yam have an effect of helping digestion, cough, anti-allergic, and hyperglycemic.